Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Oneplus is up to date and always-on display is enabled. That matters because old builds block custom images. Once done, open Settings, go to Display, then Ambient Display and lock screen to toggle always-on display on. Next, open Wallpapers or the System Wallpaper Picker. Make sure the picture you want is saved in Photos or Files so you can select it. You're now ready to pick the image and move to the customization step. You'll now choose and edit the image for the always-on display. Open the System Wallpaper Picker, either via Settings Wallpaper or long press the home screen, then pick the always-on display or ambient display slot. Select your saved photo, crop it to frame the subject and match the screen shape. Make sure the focal area won't be hidden by the clock. Then choose clock style and transparency if offered. Once you're satisfied with the preview, tap Apply. The AOD will update shortly. Finally, apply the wallpaper and lock your phone to confirm the always-on display shows the new image. That verifies success. If the image doesn't appear, reboot the device first, because a restart resolves many permission hiccups. Make sure no third-party lock screen or battery saver is blocking AOD. Disable such apps temporarily. If problems persist, clear the system UI or wallpaper app cache and reapply the image. These steps usually fix the common issues and get the always-on display working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.